Hi, it's Julie Skolnick from With Understanding Comes Calm and 2 days of 2E, and I'm actually standing here in my room where I'm about to deliver, actually in about an hour, I'm going to deliver a talk on the Cycle for Success, Parenting and Teaching 2E, but I thought it's only fair if I answer the question, what is my billboard message to the 2E community? So here it is. My billboard message is actually, you know how when you're driving down the highway and you see a billboard and it says your message here, or place your message here, or your ad here? Well, that's my billboard for the 2E community because I want you to write your very own. We are so unique, gifted people with learning differences and learning disabilities. We are each our own constellation of phenomenal bright lights. And so I really want it to be sort of a tabula rasa where you feel comfortable, empowered, activated to write your own message on your very own billboard. So I'd give everybody their own slate. Thanks for listening. See you soon.